It is awful lot rainy out here. Do you guys know why it's rainy out here? Oh man, so much rain. Mickey Mouse, Mickey Mouse, what's wrong with you? Mickey Mouse, why? What are you dead? Mickey Mouse? No, Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse? Mickey Mouse? You guys, I think Mickey Mouse is dead. R.I.P. Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse? Mickey Mouse? Mickey Mouse is dead. I'm grabbing him by... He fell. I'm grabbing him by my mouth because he fell. I mean, I don't know if he died. Do you guys think he's okay? Let's take him back up here. I'm sorry, guys. I think he's dead. New video soon coming on Super Yoshi Kid. Super Yoshi Kid is going to have a new video. We was trying to find some time. I know it took too long. I'm still mad about Dougie and that text fraud. New video coming soon. I will show a little thumbnail after I'm done talking. New video coming soon on Super Yoshi Kid. Make sure to subscribe to Super Yoshi Kid, turn on post notifications. And subscribe to It's STV. I put a link in the description below as well. Subscribe to It's STV. He's trying to get to his goal at 100 subs so he could do a Q&A. Mickey Mouse, I think Mickey Mouse is dead. Okay, guys, bye. Now where is Dougie?